the fascinating history of planet Earth. Welcome to Tin Science. Today, we will embark on an extraordinary journey through the history of our planet Earth. From its formation over 4.5 billion years ago to the evolution of life and the emergence of humanity. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, a vast cloud of gas and dust, called the solar nebula, began to collapse under its own gravity. This process led to the formation of the Sun at the center, while the surrounding material coalesced into the planets of the solar system, including Earth. In its early stages, Earth was a molten mass of glowing rocks. During this time, heavier elements such as iron sank toward the center, forming the core, while lighter elements formed the mantle and crust. This differentiation process created the internal structure of our planet. It is believed that, during this stage, a celestial body the size of Mars, called Theia, collided with Earth. The debris from this impact coalesced to form the Moon, which played a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axis and controlling the tides. During a period called the Hadean, Earth experienced intense bombardment from meteors and comets, which brought water and other volatile elements. As the planet cooled, water vapor condensed to form the primordial oceans, while volcanic activity contributed to the creation of a primitive atmosphere devoid of oxygen. In the Archean Eon, around 3.8 billion years ago, the first continents began to form. During this time, in the depths of the oceans, likely near hydrothermal vents, the first forms of life emerged, unicellular prokaryotic organisms. These microorganisms started influencing the chemical composition of the oceans and the atmosphere. About 2.5 billion years ago, some prokaryotes, like cyanobacteria, developed oxygenic photosynthesis, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This process led to the Great Oxidation Event, significantly increasing atmospheric oxygen levels, transforming the planet, and paving the way for more complex forms of life to evolve. The rise in atmospheric oxygen enabled the evolution of eukaryotic cells, characterized by a defined nucleus and internal organelles. These cells later organized into multicellular organisms, marking a fundamental step in the evolution of life on Earth. The Paleozoic era, which began around 541 million years ago, was a time of immense change. During the Cambrian period, there was a rapid diversification of marine life, known as the Cambrian explosion, which led to the emergence of nearly all major animal phyla. Later, plants began colonizing land, followed by arthropods and eventually vertebrates. This process radically transformed terrestrial ecosystems, creating new habitats and evolutionary opportunities. Toward the end of the Paleozoic, continents united to form the supercontinent Pangaea. However, this period was also marked by mass extinctions, including the most devastating one, which wiped out about 90% of marine species. The Mesozoic era, which began about 252 million years ago, saw the fragmentation of Pangaea and the rise of dinosaurs, which dominated terrestrial ecosystems for over 160 million years. This period is divided into three epochs: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous, each characterized by distinctive flora and fauna. During the Mesozoic, the first mammals and birds also appeared, descending from small reptiles and theropod dinosaurs, respectively. The dinosaurs reached their peak diversity during the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. Giants like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus roamed the forests, while predators like Tyrannosaurus rex sat at the top of the food chain. The Mesozoic ecosystems were incredibly rich and complex. About 66 million years ago, a colossal asteroid struck Earth near the present-day Yucatan Peninsula. This impact triggered global fires, tsunamis, and a prolonged winter, caused by dust particles thrown into the atmosphere. The resulting mass extinction wiped out nearly all non-avian dinosaurs, bringing the Mesozoic era to an end. With the extinction of the dinosaurs, the Cenozoic era began. This period is known as the Age of Mammals, as these animals rapidly diversified, occupying ecological niches left vacant by the dinosaurs. Mammals adapted to a wide range of environments. During the Pleistocene epoch, many species grew to colossal sizes, such as the woolly mammoth and the giant ground sloth. These animals thrived in cold plains and forests during the ice ages. However, climate changes and the arrival of a new predator, humans, contributed to the extinction of many of these giants. Humanity emerged around 7 million years ago, when the first hominins branched off from a common ancestor with apes. One of the earliest human genera, Australopithecus, lived in African savannas and walked upright. With Homo habilis, around 2.4 million years ago, we see the beginning of stone tool usage. This was a crucial milestone in human evolution, enabling our ancestors to hunt, build, and defend themselves more effectively. Around 300,000 years ago, our species, Homo sapiens, appeared. Equipped with superior intelligence and complex language, these humans spread across the globe, leaving traces such as cave paintings, tools, and structures. Over time, humanity transitioned from hunter-gatherers to builders of civilizations. Today, Earth is the result of billions of years of change and adaptation. It is a unique planet, rich in life and beauty, yet fragile. The history of Earth teaches us the importance of protecting our world for future generations.